Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will answer a student's question, and I'm recording this video to share it on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. So the student is asking that when they import a PLT file, the internal lines can't be converted into stitching lines. Even though this command has already been taught to the student, when they select all the details, the convert select internal to seam command is grayed out, meaning they can't convert the internal lines into stitching lines. Here, the student took a picture and sent it to me. So I asked the student to send me the PLT file. Here, this is the PLT file. And now I'll show you how to import the PLT file. You go to File, and then navigate to Data Exchange, and choose the option for import, then import from file. Just remember the PLT file or HPGL format, they are essentially the same type. So when you go to select import CAD CAM file, please just choose the HPGL option. For me, that is actually a PLT file. It's the same thing as a PLT. Here you can choose whichever unit of measurement you prefer. As for the browse section, you'll click on it and select the location where your PLT file is stored. Once you have done that one, simply click on the open button, then click the OK button, and immediately your PLT file will be imported right here. This is the layout, which might have been exported from Gerber or from some other software as a print file. But they want to retrieve these pattern pieces. So they will use the Optitex software to import it. That's also a very good method. However, when they import it, they want to convert all these internal lines into seam lines, so that if they make any adjustments, changing just one line will automatically update both the inner and outer lines together, or they might want to move the seam line to the outside, right? So they go into this command, they select all the pieces and then go into the seam command, but this command is currently grayed out. There's a very simple reason for this. That is, you select like this, but you need to specifically select one of the internal lines that you want to convert into a seam line. After that, when you go into seam, you see that the command becomes available. See, that's pretty cool, right? At this point, this line here, this internal line, will become a seam line. There you go. And for those who didn't know, this is also a really useful tip for you. After that, you'll click on it and remember to uncheck the lock seam update option here. Then you update the seam line. And now you can flip the seam line to the outside and make adjustments. And the seam line will adjust accordingly. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, it is definitely quite impressive. However, since this is a PLT file, we need to manually select every single detail one by one. That is all we have to do. If the file is a DXF file, when you select it, every single one of the individual details will be selected simultaneously in one go. But when you receive a PLT file instead, you will find that it only selects one specific detail at a time. You select all these files, all these details, but when you use this command to select, it will only select one detail, not multiple ones. This is exactly how PLT files work. They can only do that. And this is also a piece of knowledge covered in the course at PDS Academy. If you're interested, you can go to Google and search for the keyword online.pds. Go to the website of PDS Fashion Academy and click on the courses section. Click on the courses section. Click on the courses section and you can see all the courses offered at PDS Academy. If you find a course that suits you, or if you need further advice, you can message me on Zalo at this phone number, or you can also connect with me via my personal Facebook. I will answer your questions and advise you on which courses to take. Goodbye everyone, see you in the next videos.